Can AI really deliver architectural digest level design? Isn't it just colors and materials and paint swatches anyway? Do you even need a company for that? Can I get a dipping pool on my balcony in Brooklyn? We're asking the really important questions at Framehouse, a new platform for interior design launching right now. Hi, my name is Michael. I'm the founder and CEO of Framehouse, a revolutionary new platform to help people live better at home. At Framehouse, we believe no one knows your design taste better than you do, whether you're completely minimalist or slightly a little bit more maximalist. And that's why I founded Framehouse, a new revolutionary app that gives incredible elevated design ideas instantly to anyone around the world. Our platform includes a home renovation tool that allows people to get a detailed playbook with everything they would need to make one of their ideas a reality. The core problem at the heart of redoing your home is it's really, really hard. There's two main issues. First is if you DIY and you try to do it yourself, the second you start shopping, you're going to see thousands of products, hundreds of pictures on Pinterest, and before you know it, your brain just hurts. You're looking at too many things, so you kind of do nothing. The second problem is some people try to hire a designer, but the challenge there is you're really working on their terms. You're working on their timeline. It's incredibly expensive, and they may not just understand your vision and your goals. And so Framehouse was really working to solve those problems. Design is in my blood. 3 generations ago, my grandfather was one of the early mid-century modern interior designers. And now here we are, 50 years later, completely reinventing the field. In the last few years, I had a front row seat to the AI revolution. I have a fundamental understanding of technology, but with a design flavor from my degree from MICA, and always was really excited and inspired by the world of design. I'm really proud to be contributing to my grandfather's legacy and enabling what he did in an entirely new, innovative way. What was fundamentally amazing about interior design was the humanity of how you could help someone live better in their lives. And what's incredible about this new AI era is that we can really expand that to everyone around the world for an incredibly affordable price. Anyone can be a designer if they want to. And design is not actually a scary word. It really just means, how do I want my space to feel? Does my space actually work for me? And if the answer is no, I want people to believe that they can actually improve it. So no matter what your grand plans are for your space, whether it's an architectural marvel or just rearranging the furniture in the living room, Framehouse has got you covered. Okay, maybe not a bridge, but we can pretty much do everything else.